Yo, guys, welcome back again to lesson. I don't know what numbers. Anyway, let's just ignore that number, okay? I guess and hope you guys are learning. Now we have learned what are cells in the past lesson. We have learned what are columns. We have learned what are rows and how to select a range in Excel, right? So now we are going to learn how to enter data in Excel. If you're asked to enter a data in Excel. So the first thing you have to know in mind here is to select what cell you want to start inputting what? Your data. Okay, now let's say I want to start inputting my data in what? Cell A3. You have to click on A3 here. You see A3 and even the name box here is showing what? The name. You see that? A3. So now let's say I want to put in here products. You can tab, go to what? Quantity. You can tab, go to what? Price. And let's say you want to enter here, entry data in Excel. If you observe something here, you can see that what? The entry that we have done here is spreading right across B column here, cell B column here. It is spreading all the way to a B column. But Excel is not taking it to be what? In B column, but what? A column. And that is A5. Right? If even you click out, you can see that what? The text is still spreading all the way to what? B column here. But it is not in B column. It is in A column and that is A5. This text in A5. If you click in B here, you see that? You can see that what? There is no text. This is the formula bar. Look at it here. The formula bar. This is what we call the formula bar. Look here. This is the formula bar. The formula bar here, you can see there is nothing here. But if you click on A5, you can see that we have a text here. Look at it here. We have a text here. You see? That shows what? This text is in A5. But if you click in B here, there is nothing here. Even though the text is spreading all the way to what? B column. But if you click B, there is nothing here. Excel note is what? This text is not in B what? Column, but in what? A5 here. So don't bother if you are typing and the text is spread all the way down here. Just keep on typing. After it, you are done, you will do your necessary edit. Now, let's adjust this text. You are seeing this text is spreading all the way to what? B column here, and you don't want that. You only want this cell to be what? In A5 here. It's very simple. You just have to what? Widen what? The cell. This is cell A5. Let's widen the cell. There are two ways we widen what? The cell. Either you come up here, and immediately you come, you can see that what? The mouse changes to what? Something like a cross symbol, thick black cross symbol. Either hold, you drag to the destination you want the text to be. You see that? Cool. You see that? Isn't it cool? Right? It's cool, right? Now we have what? The text only in what cell A5 and no longer spreading all the way to B column here. No longer spreading to what? B5 here. Okay, there's another way to do that. If maybe you are thinking coming up here to hold and drag is maybe paining you, or maybe you are seen to be the long one, just come up here, and when the mouse changes to thick black cross, double click your mouse. You see, Excel will auto fit the text for you. That's the two ways. Of course, when it matters to computer learning or software learning, there is always what? Alternatives. So for this one, you are seeing we have two alternatives. Either you hold and drag, or maybe just what? Double click. Excel will what? Do the work for you. So that's how we enter text. Just make sure you select the area you want to input your text. Then you type what you want to type. Now let's do some amount of formatting to this. Before we do formatting, let's do some amount of let's see, Mango. I don't know, Mango is a product, but I don't. Let's just type. We are typing. You see that? What next? Make. This is it. So you see, just select the cell you want to input, what you want to input, and start typing. Now let's do some amount of formatting. You just have to click. We have on the ribbon here. We have what we call bold. This is what we call bold. Like I just said earlier on, Excel, if you don't know what a particular function is about or what a particular things, if you are clicking on it, what will be done. Just pin your mouse over it. Excel will show what that will do. If you see, when I come with my mouse over this B here, it tells me what bold. Make the selected text bold. If you click it, you can see what we have now, thick black here. And this also click, see that everything is becoming what bold. And if you click on this also, see, that is to bold what text to what be good looking. Now also if you click, we have italic to what make the text lean a little bit. You see that, guys? This is laying up and this is not. And if you want to underline, you click underline. You see, it will underline. And if you click the drop down here, we have what double underline. If you want double underline, that was it. And maybe if you want to color the back color, this is it. You can choose whatever color. As you can see, as I'm hovering the mouse over the colors, you can see the colors are changing for themselves. You see, let's say I have chosen this, and maybe you come again, you click on this one, you see the colors are changing. See, and if I want to change the text, you come to this A here. You just click. See, the text is now in white. It's in white. Now, if you want this to look large, just click on this. You see, the more you click, the more what it become what large. As you click on this, also the more what it becomes smaller. I guess that is cool. Now, if you look, we don't have any lines here. We don't have any lines. If you click on this, you come to this side here and you come to what all borders. You see, we have now lines. These are what we call borders. If you want to give the cells border, maybe and when it's like this, you cannot see. Maybe your eye is having some sort of problem. I know some members might having an eye problem, right? But anyway, if you are having an eye problem, you might don't want to miss out cells. You can give it a border. That's it. But anyway, I don't want border because I'm not having an eye problem. Anyway, okay, we click on this also. If you want it to be in what? The middle here, justify this one, blah blah. You see, as we are clicking, that's it. So you can click here, you can change the text. We have various type of text. You can click, you can choose whatever text you feel like. You have Algeria, stuff like this. Right, so that's how we do formatting. So I know my beginners students are now starting to learn something how to do formatting in Excel. Well, let's stop here. Tomorrow we shall continue the lectures again, all in what beginners level. Even though I'm going to give you some tasks, assignments. So when coming the next day, you present your assignment, and if you have any questions to ask, then you can ask.
Thanks for watching lesson.
Thank you very much for staying with me. I'm Wazamsi Hamza. See you.